Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and securing your data. First, open Settings and verify model, purchase date, and Apple Care Plus status so you know coverage limits. Next, back up to iCloud or to a Mac via Finder. Make sure the iPhone is charging and on Wi-Fi. Then, gather your Apple ID, password, proof of purchase, and a clear photo of the serial number. This prevents delays. Once done, you'll be ready to initiate a repair or replacement request without losing data. You now begin the service request. Open the Apple Support app or visit Support. Apple, choose iPhone, then Coverage and Repairs. This routes you based on your Apple Care Plus plan. Pick the repair option, mail-in kit, local Apple Store appointment, or on-site technician. Review any deductible amounts and expected turnarounds. Provide the serial number and proof of purchase when prompted. Once you schedule or request a mail kit, save the repair ID and authorization number. These make tracking and follow-up straightforward. You finish by preparing the device for service and verifying the outcome. Before sending or handing over the phone, disable Find My iPhone, remove the SIM and accessories, and if requested, erase personal data after backup. When you receive the repaired or replacement device, power it on, check the serial number, activate iOS and test camera, touch, cellular, and charging. If anything is wrong, contact Apple Support using your repair ID within 48 to 72 hours to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.